Wow, this is quite a way.
Maybe it does go around on it. The water back here is really clear.
I think at the next battery change, we find a space to get out and trip. The last time I did 6 hours in the kayak, that hurt.
Yeah. I stretch in the kayak.
I like to get like sits nerve, all
Yeah.
that stuff. Yeah, I don't think.
A couple turtles need to jump. There's no suspicious.
Doesn't seem like. Average heart rate.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm good with going back. I don't think this has an open. Or whatever you want to call it.
Okay, we
Yeah, I kind of needed a break too. I was getting winded.
Brother is starting to not be happy with me.